So now we're going to convert this over to Drupal 8. And we'll start just by taking the code base and copying it over to the modules folder in our Drupal 8 installation. So I'm going to go to our resource pack directory, and here, step 27 is that Trails module. So we'll copy this, and then we'll go to our Drupal site, and we're probably right now in our blind date folder, but we're gonna pop up to the base directory for the Drupal site. And now, like we've talked about before in Drupal 8, we can put our modules inside of the modules folder directly. So I'm going to paste this folder in and rename it Trails. Now the basic process of upgrading a module from one version of Drupal to another is to start to use it, and as soon as you hit an error or something doesn't work properly, then you try to resolve that and move on to something else. So the first thing that we would do with this module is try to install it. So let's see if we can do that. I'm going to jump back to our Drupal site. I'll keep the Drupal 7 version open just in case we want to check that out later. And I'll click on Manage and then Extend. And let's do a search for Trails. Okay, nothing is showing up. So this is our first block. How do we get our module to show up on this module page? You probably have a pretty good idea of how to do this because we've already created a couple of modules in Drupal 8. But how would we figure it out if we didn't know already? So this is our first trouble spot. And we'll use this juncture as a reason to discuss the different ways we can find out how to upgrade certain parts of our module.